Today I will show you how to make this poster design in Photoshop. This is the canvas size we're working today. Choose Type tool. Type your text. To insert your image, from File menu, choose Place Embedded. Choose Image and click on Place. Right-click and choose Flip Horizontal. Decrease opacity that you can see the text. Adjust your image accordingly. Reset opacity back to 100%. Duplicate background layer. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Select Top Layer. Go to Select menu, and choose Subject. Add Layer Mask. Right-click on thumbnail of the text layer, then choose Select Pixels. Go to Select menu. Choose Inverse. Choose Brush. Make sure foreground color is black. And delete unwanted areas. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Right-click on text layer and choose Blending Options. Choose a stroke. Apply the following settings. Choose Drop Shadow. Copy this settings. Select Bottom Layer. Create a Gradient Adjustment layer. Follow the steps.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.